Order serial number 1, Jidege Kailasi.
Awaiting report in compliance with the order. ಇದ್ರದಾ
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್
ಹೌದು
ಹಾ
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್,
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರ್ದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದ.
they have conducted various tests and given report in my hand, but they have not at all submitted report. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ my lord.
No, we are directed the registry to forward a copy of this order and get the report. ಏನಾಯ್ತದು? ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. In terms of the directions issued by this court on 15/10/2024, the registry has forwarded a copy of the order to the director of the Institute of Nephrourology, Victoria Hospital Campus, Bengaluru, on 21/10/2024. Stop. However, report is yet to be received. Stop. Next para. Release this matter. On 7th of November.
Serial number 2, Sangan Baswa B. Patil.
Fair man. I taken steps two times.
Huh?
PFE man.
You'll have to furnish correct address and take steps.
Please man, 1 week man.
A week's time is granted at the request of the learned counsel for the appellant to furnish correct address and thereafter take steps for service of notice on the respondent.
Serial number 3, Liaquat Farid Ustad.
Not comply of the order of the learned single judgment. Petition grandfather and his brother joint owner.
Serial number 5, certified copy of annexure A.
Yes, I will produce within 4 weeks, my lordship.
4 weeks. Why? Num court order already.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Adikken 4 weeks kelta
2 weeks, 2 weeks. 2 weeks, my
Why?
lordship.
September 2024.
Yes. I apply.
Week's time is granted
Please, my lordship.
at the request of learned counsel for the complainant to furnish the certified copy of annexure A.
Yeah, my lordship, issue notice to respondent. Issue notice to respondent, my lordship.
Ella government na?
No, private farm.
1 and 2 is private, my lord. Tahsildar and assistant commissioner. For R3 is, I will take notice to R3 minutes.
R3 is government, my lordship. 1 and 2 is private part.
Deputy commissioner, assistant commissioner, tahsildar.
Personal
Ella
essay.
government.
Personal essay.
No, my lordship.
This is a contempt petition, my lordship, on personal name they ask.
Yes, yes, of course. We know that.
But name,
Issue notice. In the meanwhile, issue notice to response number 1 and 2. Learned government advocate takes notice for response number 3. The learned counsel for the complainant is also directed to serve
Please.
Copies of the contempt petition on the learned government advocate.
Please.
Yes. Yeah. Release this matter on 14th of November.
Please.
Serial number 4, hearing on IA, Preeti Patil Melkundi.
Alpha Preeti Patil man. In this case, 29 days delay in this matter. Delay may be condemned post for admission, liability matter.
Seeking enhancement.
Yes, sir. Insurance company appeal man.
Insurance
Yes, yes, ma'am. Only for delay condemned post for.
ಅವ್ರಾಗ್ಲೇ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾರಲ್ರಿ.
ಅದು liability matter sir. That's next admission ಬಂದಾಗ liability matter.
Notice issue ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ಲೇ
ಅದು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡ.
application ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ for release. And we have not even directed them to deposit the amount. You are not seeking for stay.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಸ್ಟೇ
ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ
ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಹಾ?
ಸ್ಟೇ ಸರ್. ಸ್ಟೇ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಅಂತಿಲ್ರಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸರ್, ಡಿಲೇ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್.
Matter is called out. There is no representation for response number 1 and 2. 3 ಏನ್ರಿ?
ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸರ್ವ್.
ಯಾರು ಇವರು?
ಓನರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್. ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಓನರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್.
Release this matter on 7th of November.
ಡಿಲೇ ಮೇ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ 29 ಡಿಲೇ ಇದೆ. 29 days ಡಿಲೇ ಇದೆ.
ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ಲಿ ರೀ, ಅವ್ರ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ we will do it. Yes.
CL number 5, Deepak V. Barad.
Operation appeal challenging both liability as well as quantum, my lord. There is a delay of 103 days, my lord, in filing the appeal due to administrative reasons. Lord, I have moved this matter since the execution petition has been filed by the claimants. Subject to deposit, my lord. Since, my lord, the deceased was intoxicated and while boarding the bus, my lord, he had fell.
Although there is a delay of 103 days in filing the appeal, learned counsel for the appellant submits that the respondent claimants have filed execution petition. Full stop. Therefore, the learned counsel submits that pending consideration of IA number 1 for continuation of delay, the impugned order may be stayed while directing the appellants to deposit 50% of the award amount. Next para. Accordingly, there shall be an ad interim order of stay of the impugned judgment and award in MBC number 42 of 2022 on the file of the principal senior civil judge and CJM at Raichur till the next date of hearing, subject to the appellants depositing 50% of the award amount before the tribunal
Within
a period of
4 weeks.
6 weeks from today. Full stop.
Notice.
Next para. Issue notice to the respondents. Yes.
Publish.
Admission matters. Appeal number 6, RS Lagani.
To appeal for the appellant. These two appeals, my lords, arise out of, though from two different judgments of conviction, my lords, arise out of the same crime number, my lords. In fact, previously I had argued in criminal appeal number 2000023 of 2021.
For IA for suspension of sentence.
Yes, my lord.
We will have it next. Release this matter.
Matter can be remanded, Andhra, because, my lords, here the victim, the main allegation of rape against whom the accused has been arraigned.
Hear it next week.
Yes,
Before the regular bench.
yes, sir.
Release this matter on 5th of November.
11th would be better.
Huh?
11th,
11th, my lords.
11th.
11th better. Any date other than
13th.
11th.
13th.
8th, 9th, 8th,
13th would be better.
8th will be Friday.
Yes.
7th.
Yeah, Marty 7th.
13 my lords, because I have to collect because
13th of November.
Yes, great. Publish.
CL number 7, Arun Kumar Amar Gundappa.
Please, my lords, appearing for the learned counsel for the appellants, my lords. My lords had directed on the previous hearing date, my lord, the registry to get the details of the interest, if any, that has been paid, my lords, towards the deposited amount. The case. 25 lakhs was in deposit, and in fact, it was a mistake on both of us, my lord.
Bank.
That was, please, bank.
Respondent bank.
Yes.
Out.
Dharmendra T for respondent number 1 and 2.
25 lakhs was lying before the honorable registry, my lords, because none of us represented to transfer it to the bank.
There
Please.
is no representation for response number 1 and 2. Full stop. We had directed in our previous order that the respondent bank shall furnish information as to the amount received from the registry of this code in terms of the refund voucher. Yenaito? Huh?
According to information, they have not sent it to me.
Yena?
The amount 25 lakhs
Huh.
is still lying in the.
No. It has been refunded on 31/8/2024.
Call the manager.
Please see the order sheet. Nodri, ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. Ask him also to see that.
It's not issued by bank on 3rd.
Signature ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ really? ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ತೆಗೆದಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. On the previous occasion, we had directed the learned counsel for the respondent bank to secure information as to what is the amount received by the respondent bank in terms of the refund voucher dated 31/8/2024. Full stop. Who is the manager, is it?
Oh. Endorsement, some endorsement is the branch manager itself. Man. This is the information given by the branch manager.
Why you have not taken the refund?
Yes, ma'am.
Despite a direction issued on 14/8/2024? 14/8/2024, there was a direction. The said amount stated to have been deposited after verification is to be transferred by the registry to the respondent bank upon bank furnishing necessary details.
Counts they have submitted. My
There
lord.
was a direction, sir.
I'll check it now.
Berkeley, ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ?
One aspect, my lords, of course, in every case, what happens is even if amounts are deposited, they're not taken, and then my lords, some amounts are deposited to the bank, they will keep in suspense account, no interest in either way. Then they will show the final amount, my lords.
No. The amount was kept in the registry.
Please, my lords, please,
And there is a circular issued that all amounts have to be kept in fixed deposits.
please.
So therefore, that is why we directed.
No, in fact, my lords,
Like to know what
deposit
is the
before the
amount that
honorable
is
court is more beneficial because it carries interest.
ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅವರು ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Despite orders being passed.
So please, my lords.
Today, the manager of the respondent bank is present before the court. Stop. Learned counsel for the respondent bank submits on instructions that the respondent bank has not received the said amount in terms of the directions issued by this court on 14/8/2024. Full stop. We also see that consequent to the directions issued on 14/8/2024, a note is put up in the order sheet that the learned counsel for the respondent has not filed the return refund voucher as on 31/8/2024. Hence, the file has been returned to the pending branch for further steps. Full stop. Next para. The manager of the respondent bank and the learned counsel for the respondent bank are hereby directed to forthwith go to the pending branch and collect the amount as was directed by this court on 14/8/2024 by giving necessary information. Full stop. Next para. Release this matter on 8th of November 2024.
With the details of the amount received, my lords, let them submit what amount is received.
Respondent bank shall give all the necessary information as to the amount received from this court. Yes, please do it.
Great.
Seal number 8, Subhas Mallapur.
My lord, I'm
Yes.
representing appellant insurance company, my lord.
Huh?
Appellant insurance company, my lord.
No delay.
No delay.
No, yes.
You are seeking for stay.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Issue notice to the respondents. All the respondents, huh?
Yes.
Issue notice to the respondents. They shall. Huh? ಯಾವುದು? Issue notice to respondents number 1 to 5. Learned counsel. Srimati Preeti Patil Melkundi is requested to take notice for respondent number 6, Oriental Insurance Company. Learned counsel for the appellant is directed to serve copies of the appeal memo along with annexures on the learned counsel for respondent number 6. Next para. There shall be an interim stay of the impugned judgment and award in MAC number 774 of 2017 on the file of the MACT number 15 Vijayapura, till the next date of hearing, subject to the appellant depositing 50% of the award amount before the tribunal within a period of 6 weeks from today. Yes.
Seal number 9, Preeti Patil Melkundi.
Yes.
Insurance company appeal made in this challenge, but only for quantum error.
Huh?
The insurance company challenge only quantum error. That
Quantum.
Quantum. 22 extent error, 25,000 is taken by consider the tribunal. Madam.
Insurance company. Na?
Yes, madam.
Huh.
And 49,50,000 is awarded.
Huh. So same order.
Yes, madam.
50%
Yes,
deposit. Issue notice.
For
to
respondent number
respondent.
5 only, my 1 to 4 is taken BLE Mamas.
My lord. Learned counsel Shri B. Ali Muhammad.
Yes.
Has entered appearance for
1 to 4.
response number 1 to 4.
4, madam.
Issue notice to respondent number 5.
Yes, madam.
My lord,
ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
The deceased was a BMS doctor.
Hmm?
BAMS doctor,
DAMS?
doctor, Ayurvedic doctor, my lord.
ಹಾ
Degree is there, clinic, running clinic.
ಹಾ
Hardly a sum of rupees 25,000 was taken into consideration the annually income of the deceased. My respectable submission before the honorable court is in a similar case, the lordship has taken into consideration minimum 25.
You want the case to be decided today?
Much
How is
obliged.
it possible? sir?
But my lord, at least 75,000 may kindly be
Huh?
granted. 75%, my lord.
No, no, no. 50% and the claimant is permitted to file application before the tribunal seeking release of the amount deposited by the insurance company.
At least with interest may kindly be granted.
Huh?
At least with interest may kindly be. Along with interest.
That deposit will be made along with interest only.
Please.
Yes.
Much of.
Yes.
CL number 10, Manvendra Reddy.
For records. I'll file the, you have deposited trial court, I will file the voucher.
Huh?
Deposit vouchers, I'll get it and file. The order for depositing it before the tribunal, that has to be objections.
Learned counsel. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲ you are the appellant. ಯಾಕೆ?
The lady is confusing me.
Learned counsel for the appellant submits that the amount has been deposited in terms of the directions issued by the full stop. However, the acknowledgement for having deposited the same will be filed in the office.
I'll file, I'll check it, my lord.
Huh?
I'll check it from the records and I'll submit. I verify, my lord, it was told I will get the vouchers and I will file.
ಅದೇ. Within a period of 1 week?
Ah, yes.
Within a period of 1 week from today. Yes.
Sir, on submission, return of T-shares.
Huh?
Already amount deposited, sir. Return of T-share.
Return of
T-shares.
TCR.
So I will in
Trial.
There was no, was there a specific order permitting you to take release of the amount? Permitted to withdraw.
amount already is
Next,
deposited.
in view of specific directions being issued by this court, permitting the claimants to withdraw 50% of the amount deposited by the insurance company, the trial court records are directed to be returned to the tribunal to consider such application at the hands of the claimant. Full stop. After the amounts are released, the trial court records shall be re-forwarded to this court,
Serial number 11, Manvendra Reddy.
Same, sir.
Same,
Connected, man.
same order. Yes.
Final hearing matter, CL number 12, additional SPP.
Release this matter on 14th of November.
Please.
Yes.
CL number 13, additional SPP.
Release this matter on 19th of November.
CL number 14, Biradar Kalyani.
Respondent. Yes.
Has filed an affidavit regarding for payment of 70,000 before this honorable court.
Huh?
70,000 arrears the maintenance amounts. He has filed an affidavit to pay the entire amount today. Yeah, this was listed according to the convenience of both the parties by the honorable court. As per the orders of this honorable court, he has paid only 15,000 on the previous hearing date. He 70,000 ಉಳಿದಿದೆ sir. She is present before the court.
Today is on the way, your lordship. Today
Huh?
some amount will be paid today as per his information. And
It
you
will
have
be
it next week, your lordship, then I will.
Lieutenant,
We'll wait, sir. If he's coming, we'll wait. He's on the, he's
Next
saying,
week.
my friend is submitting, he's coming on the way.
Lieutenant Counsel for the appellant submits that in terms of the directions issued by this court on 1/10/2024 and the undertaking given by the respondent before this court, the respondent is required to pay
70,000.
sum of rupees
70,000.
75,000,
70
70,000 towards the arrears
arrears submitted,
of maintenance,
including litigation expense 20,000.
including
Litigation expenses 20,000.
Stop.
20,000.
Next para, learned counsel for the respondent submits that the respondent is on the way.
Yes.
And he will pay some amount today.
Yes.
To the appellant. Stop.
I request the honorable court
Next
to
para.
ask him to pay entire
Will
so that
Matter. On. We'll have it on 7th or 8th.
Next week, any date, 7th.
7th or 8th.
ಒಂದು ಹಂಬಲ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಸರ್. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ.
ಇವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ let us see how much he'll give. On 7th of November. Yes.
Priority 7 ಕೊಡಿ. Fourth with ಅಂತಿದೆ. I will kill him.